Today is Friday, end of the week, and I spent the last couple of days chipping away here at the studio. So I still need to replace the pegboard, but I did get new pegboard, so I can do that now. And the major change here is this cabinetry is sample installed. I didn't want to secure it down yet because I still got to remove this electrical behind here and redo that, but it's here, and this is what it's going to look like. This is going to be kind of for like literally lightweight videos, like phone videos, computers, maybe some more formal like finished product fan videos and things like that. It's going to be more of the technology area, and then this will be more of the mechanical area, fans, and maybe some air conditioners, although I think air conditioning probably will be out in the garage. Anything that's going to require more physical work with tools will be over here, more heavy duty stuff, and this will be more light duty stuff. So this is the old kitchen. This is what came with the house, this countertop. I think it's a pretty cool counter, so I wanted to utilize it somewhere, and this is a good use case. And these are the old cabinets. This is kind of wonky, you know. It's a little bit difficult to reach what's under here, but you know, it'll work. If we're not buying the stuff to fit the area, kind of fitting the stuff to the area, or fitting the area to the stuff. That's confusing. Normally you buy stuff to fit the area, but I'm just making this fit from what I had. So the reason why I use these thin cabinets is because I want to put like a computer here and be able to sit at this table, you know, like a normal desk or something. So that's why I did it that way. So I have a computer over there and telephone, so forth, and then this can be the videoing area. Everything is just taking a long time, and it's annoying because the floor is not level. As you can see, I've had to build like a floating cabinets frame, and the right side is almost an inch off the ground compared to the left, and it's all shimmed and wonky. That's causing a lot of problems down here because everything that should be simple, like setting up a table, becomes complicated because the floor is so uneven and unlevel. But we're getting through it. So the next thing to do is just to run phone line over here, and then I can start recording some phone videos. I gotta re-find the testing equipment. I had located it. I think I know where here's the simulator, the line simulator. I just gotta find the test and answer machine, which I've seen recently, so I know it's somewhere over here. I think I can find that pretty easily. So once I do that, then I can at least do phone videos over here, more conventional phone videos. And then next week I have some time off from work, so I'll be able to hopefully fix this. This shouldn't take too much effort. I just need to take the pegboard down. I want to wash that beam because I washed a little portion of it right here, and it cleaned up really nice. So I want to wash the rest of it so it looks good, and then put the new pegboard up, and that will leave this studio operational again. So both tables are just about ready to go. And then of course I got to clean up, but that's a whole different story. So that's that. Just a quick little update on the studio and where everything's at. It's taking a long time, but we're getting there.